We're really excited to be here in Newport this week, where we brought together a very diverse and talented group of folks that all interact with the Arctic in a wide variety of ways, but don't usually get to talk to each other. And one of our very first goals is simply to have these folks talking to each other and learn what one another's challenges are.
Really bringing everyone together for this International Cooperative Engagement Program for Polar Research, or ICE paper, is to leverage our partner nations' expertise to increase our capabilities and to get everyone on the same page for capabilities in the polar regions.
So the Arctic is a national priority. And there's things like commerce and natural resources up there that are important to the nation. Certainly with Alaska, we are an Arctic nation.
International partnerships are vital for us in the Arctic region. Last week, the U.S. just issued their National Strategic Implementation Plan for the Arctic region, directing DoD to develop partnerships in the Arctic area so we can keep the area safe.
But also, it gives us the opportunity to do exploration of phenomena that we don't quite understand. The Arctic does present a unique set of challenges.
Well, so far, since we're partially through the workshop and I and a couple other people haven't worked in Arctic and ice before, so we've been learning a lot just about that. Everyone also is learning about what the other people and organizations are doing and what assets they have. We're kind of setting the scene, learning the pieces of the puzzle that we need to put together a joint experiment.
We're planning a sea test for 2025, which is going to be a technological demonstration of capabilities that our members already have. And we're going to be using that to do a formal gaps assessment to see where we can develop further technology, scientific algorithms, and capability to aid everybody's Arctic operations.
We bring a wealth of experience, surface, undersea, air, into understanding those systems, and then understanding what we need to do to operate in extreme environments like the Arctic.
It's a defense focus, but it's really an all-of-government effort from both the U.S. and our international partners. So we want to leverage the expertise of those partners to increase capability across all the nations that are participating in ICE paper. And that's really why getting together is key, because to share those ideas remotely just doesn't work sometimes, so you got to bring everyone together in one place to really talk through those challenges.